Hello friends, welcome to the channel How to Discover. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the error of YouTube if it is not showing the cast icon above the videos. For this, you have to open your YouTube app and play a random video. There you see the cast icon like a small TV on the above. If YouTube is not showing that, you have to come back and open Play Store. If you have iPhone, then you have to open the App Store. In Play Store, you have to search YouTube. There you see. If there is the option of open, then your YouTube app is fully updated. But if there is the options of update your app, then you have to update the YouTube app first. My app is updated already, so I have to go back. Now I have to open the settings, scroll down and go to the app management and open the app list. Now I have to go to the YouTube app. There you see the option of storage and CAC. Now you have to clear all the CAC. Now you have to come back. In this way you can fix the problem of your YouTube that not showing cast icon. I hope you can understand the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.